stress that over and over because that changes the whole number. All right, I need to look the way. All right, open your textbook to page 167. Please stop the singing and the humming. That doesn't help you with math. What do you need, Braden? Yes. Please stop the singing. 167. Very, very cool. All right, so today we're still working with adding two-digit and two-digit numbers. Okay? We're still working on that. The only difference in today's work is that the equation, the two numbers that you're given, are going this way. Is it easy to add something going long ways? No, right? We want it easy, so we're going to take the equation that goes this way, and what do you think we're going to do?
Make it go this way.
Make it go this way. That way our numbers are nice and lined up, and we can easily add them. Now, y'all, I've been stressing all week when we have two-digit numbers and you have to carry the 1, you cannot forget to add that carried 1 in. Walker, if you forget that 1, Chandler, if you forget that 1, your whole answer is wrong because it changes the whole answer. Okay? So do not forget that number. Yes, Laura?
And it would also be wrong if it was like more than 9 and you like put like an 11.
In the one spot. Yeah. That's why you have to carry. All right, so our math vocabulary for today is the same. We're still regrouping, which is the same as doing what? Braden? The book uses regrouping. I taught you what term? Braden? Carry. Okay? We're still doing add-ins, right? We're doing two numbers added together, and we're still looking at place value. What, James? All right, so look at your example. Everybody put your finger on the example, bless you, at the top of page 167. Put your pencils down. You don't need them in your hand. I need your finger, which is a spelling word. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger, on your example on page 157. Xavier, sit up, please. You can't focus on math if you're laying on your desk. James, Malachi, I need everybody sitting up nice and tall so they can focus. All right, it says you can use place value to line up add-ins in an addition problem. For example, 29 plus 28. So, 29 plus, 18, excuse me. Is it easy to add two-digit numbers this way? No. So we're going to rewrite them to where our numbers are lined up. Okay? So, we're going to do 29, and directly under it is going to go 18. Okay? Now, look. $29 is directly side by side. I need everybody looking at the board. I have people who are looking all around the room, people playing with pencils. I need your eyeballs on the board. 29 by side. Right? 18 directly side by side. Right?
Right.
But the other thing you also have to make sure of is that your ones are one right under the other, and your tens are one right under the other. Okay? If you write it like this, and I've seen it like this, if you write it like this, are you going to know what number goes with what?
No.
No. And then that's going to mess you up when adding. So you have to make sure that your numbers are lined up, which y'all did a pretty good job when going over homework. Okay? I just want you to make sure not to do this. Okay? Because then when you go to add a 1, now what goes with what? Right?
Yeah.
It's confusing. And then it's going to throw everything off. Okay? So, put your hand up. So to better help you get the addition, make sure. So today, you're going to have, like on page 167, they give you a nice little box to keep it straight. But you won't always have that. Okay? Make sense? Okay? Alright, so let's do the addition problem. So, 9 plus 8. Somebody raise your hand and tell me what 9 plus 8 is. Carson? 17. So our 7 is going to go here. Our 1 is going to carry up there. Now, are we going to forget that 1? No. Because if we forget it, what happens?
You get the equation.
It changes our answer and our equation is wrong, right? So, 1 plus 2 is, Wasim?
4,
1 plus 2,
3,
what?
3,
3. And then 3 plus 1, Layla?
4.
4. So our answer is 47. Okay? Now, I want you to look at number 1. Chandler, I need you to sit up so you're focused. In just a minute. Alright, look at number 1. 14 plus 7. Do we have a tens and a 1 for 14? Do we have a tens and a 1 for 14? Yes. So, we're going to write 14 just like that. Right? Put your pencils down. I want you looking first. Put your pencils down. Now, look at the 7. Do we have a tens and a 1 for number 7?
No.
What do we have?
Just 1.
Just ones. So, are we going to write our 7 over here?
No.
No, because we don't have a tens, right? You told me that we only have a 1. So, where are we going to put our 7, Braden? In the 1s. So, our equation should look like this. Okay? Now, I want you to do 1 through 4. Now you make sure I do this. I want you to do 1 through 4. Rewrite the equation and then add it together. Don't forget the 1 that you carry. That's very, very important.